Tired of deleting emails you might need later? Learn how to archive them in Yahoo Mail to keep your inbox clean without losing anything. I know that feeling all too well. That inbox full of old receipts, newsletters you swear you'll read someday, and conversations that are finished but feel wrong to delete. You don't want to lose them, but you also don't want them staring at you every time you open your mail. Archiving is the perfect middle ground, and it's surprisingly simple once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to archive an email and how to find it again later. We're going to walk through this together from start to finish, so by the time we're done, you'll have a clean inbox and the peace of mind that everything important is still just a couple of clicks away. So first things first, let's get you signed in to Yahoo Mail. Go ahead and open up your browser, head over to mail.yahoo.com, and sign in with your email address and password. If you're like me and you stay signed in most of the time, you're probably already there, which is totally fine. Just make sure you're looking at your main inbox view before we move on. Now, let's find the email you want to tuck away. You can either click on an email to open it up fully, or you can just click the little checkbox on the left side of the email in your inbox list to select it without opening it. Either way works perfectly, so go with whatever feels more natural to you. I usually just check the box because it's faster when I'm cleaning up a bunch of emails at once. Alright, here's where the magic happens. Look up at the toolbar just above your list of emails. You'll see a row of icons. There's one for delete, one for spam, and a few others. The one you're looking for is the archive icon. It looks like a little file box or a folder with a down arrow depending on your version of Yahoo Mail. Click that icon. And just like that, the email disappears from your inbox. It's gone from that messy, chaotic list. But here's the really important part. It's not deleted. It's just moved to a safe spot called the archive folder. You haven't lost a thing. So if you ever need to find that email again, don't panic and don't assume it's gone forever. It's just hiding in a much cleaner location. To see all your archived emails, look over at the left sidebar of your Yahoo Mail screen. You'll see your main folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find a folder labeled Archive. Click on that and boom! There are all the emails you've archived, every single one of them sitting there patiently waiting for you. Now, once you're in the archive folder, you can do whatever you need to with those emails. Click on any one of them to open it up and read it again. Need to reply to an old conversation? You can do that. Want to move it back to your inbox? Just select the email, go back up to the toolbar, and you'll see an option to move it or restore it. I've seen a lot of people get confused here, thinking archived emails are stuck forever. But trust me, they're completely flexible. You can bring them back to your inbox whenever you want, or you can leave them in the archive where they're nice and organized. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from an inbox that felt overwhelming to one that only shows you what actually matters right now. All those older emails are safely tucked away in your archive, ready for you whenever you need them. No deleting, no guilt, no clutter, just a clean inbox and total control over your messages. Thanks for sticking with me through this, and happy archiving.